Hello, everyone, and I just wanted to elaborate on why I created this channel and what it's for and my intention with it. And my art is one of the most beautiful, important, amazing things in my life. And the ability to create and communicate how I see the world and express myself has been like between me literally wanting to be here and not. I just don't think I could live here on earth without making art and creating and expressing myself. It's just such a fundamental part of being a human being that so as I was trying to say before it closed out is that it's just my art is my life and it's what I do and create. It's just something beyond me and my personality. And I started creating art when I was just I felt so alone and I felt so bored that it just kind of just happened. And I discovered that I could draw and that I could draw actually pretty well. And then I felt really seen by the people around me for the first time. And it started to make me see my potential and that I used to think that I was no one. That was just how it was. It was like there was nothing special about me. There was nothing. I just am living and kind of living. I really felt like I was living in the shadows, just like very quiet, just tried to blend in and like disappear. But my art to helped me to see there's more to life, more to my life, and more to just being alive and just what I can do. So as I create and as I work in the studio and I'm showing you my just process, which is very messy. I feel like it just doesn't make sense, but that's the best part about it. And a lot of my works, I just kind of do what I feel and, you know, fix it along the way, I guess. That's kind of how or like guide it, but I allow myself the room to kind of do things that don't make sense that I feel that I want to do. Like if I have a feeling I want to add this here, I'm going to let myself do it and and try as best I can not to let my mind intercept all of these wants and curiosities and areas that I want to explore. So yeah, so that's what I want people I want them to just see how I work and maybe apply that maybe to their lives or um yeah, just showing the creative process I feel is just so healing and beneficial, and you could apply it to your own, even your own life. Like the creative process can be applied to you living your life, just like I'm applying it to painting a canvas. You can apply it to yourself and how you move about the world, the choices that you make, the people that you want to meet, or the places you want to go, and how you structure your day, how you choose, what habits to have and what staple experiences that you need in your life to create your painting the way that you want. It's all choices. It's all personal preferences and creating something that really brings you joy and like represents you and expresses your heart, like empties your heart out into the world. That's how it should be. We shouldn't be like we shouldn't be blocking and hiding our heart because we're afraid to be hurt. Like, we can go through healing and create a stronger foundation to where we can share our heart, and it's more powerful than anything else, and we're not needing anybody else to like say, like, it's not relying on anyone else. It's just you and your life, and it's independent from other people's influence, and you don't need other people's validation or other side of you expressing your heart to make it feel whole and important in your own life. So yeah, that's kind of a mouthful, but that is what Becky Lyons Fine Art is about. That's what I'm here to do. Just like, I want my heart to be seen in my life by myself, and then share it, just show other people, and people can do it with whatever they want, and they like it, or they'd get something from it one day and then move on. It's all good. So thank you for watching my vlogs, and I hope that you continue to watch them. But I'm just happy that you're here, and that you're here on this journey with me, and you're in your human journey too, as I am. And it's great to connect with other creatives, other people that value creativity or enjoy it in any way, shape, or form. So yeah, thank you.